how tight she was. But, well, my question. Get on here and show y'all what's done so far. Basically everything. So I don't know how many. Probably had to bang this off. Might not even put it back on. Nobody got time for that. We just gonna mess with one wheel. Okay. That's all. Yeah, get to the real. So, I'm under here battling. That one screw. I don't know if you can see it or not. And I'm battling with these. I'm trying not to round them out because I don't really want to pull the flywheel off. I mean the engine with the flywheel at the same time. So I just got it out. Wow. Take these apart. Come on. Let's try that one. Alright, we got that one up here. You leave off it and come back. Alright. Let me try with the left hand. Yeah, you know, I'm a lefty, so we're gonna try to get these out, and then I'm gonna pull both the trans. I'm gonna drop both. I guess. I'm gonna do it. Dang, I ain't even noticed that. I don't know if that happened. In the front crash. I ain't. It's the guard. Ain't the whole top gone. Jeez. That's gonna be it. I'll get back to y'all when I'm pulling. Do you?
Go back that way.
So they out here trying to do burnouts. He trying to get this to do a burnout.
I can't do it. That I ain't doing no burnout. Hey, remember what I said? One, put it in one, and then turn the traction control off. Shit already on.
Alright, now you gotta go try.
Why should they do it on burn? I always try. That's what they do. Boy, you can try.
Alright.
It ain't gonna do it.
Oh, you gotta take the whole joint.
You gonna try with your car? Yeah, it won't do it.
I know how to do it. Hope y'all got a video.
Yeah, you got it.
You probably gotta wet your wheels.
Nah, that shit ain't gonna do it.
Shit is.
Right here. That VDC shit. Right here. It say VDC off, I think. It ain't gonna do it.
Let me.
Car too heavy.
Y'all ain't question.
It's not gonna do it.
Yeah, hurry because I'm about to run out of gas, you fucking cunt.
Nah, don't try to go in the dirt. You ain't slick. It's not gonna do it. I did the same thing. I put it in one though. I put it in manual and put it in one.
I'm about to get muffled. That shit sound ugly.
Done alright though. That's a low-key sleeper.
Yeah, the don't fast is quick.
Alright, but for real. This what I came to show y'all, alright? This what I came to show them. It was this. Nah, I really came to show y'all this. We got it out 2 days flat. You fucking retarded.
Ow! Wait, stop! Watch this.
Stop. Motor right there. We just gotta get this out. We probably just gonna sit it in for right now.
Hey, why that
Until I get my can. What? What? Move?
Yeah.
Someone send me this video of me doing a burnout.
Cause
How you take it down?
you push.
Oh shit.
You pushing like a pussy. Come on out,
Wait,
Fredo.
Chris. Move. Check. Thank you, son.
Pull the front brake.
Uh-huh.
I finally got this head out because I had to, wiggle and stuff. But that's a little shit. So far. That's what we have claimed. As you can see, 2 pistons down in this block. I'm gonna get at y'all when I sit this engine in the car. Oh, I'm gonna put the converter in too. So I don't have had to do it twice.
That's all you need to know.
So here you go, guys. We got it out the white car, the engine. I have an engine in front of that car, but I'm gonna put the converter in and then drop the engine in. I could, even if I wanted to, start bolting this engine up.
For what? Who you gonna bolt it for just to pull it back out?
You don't have to pull it back out.
Come on.
You don't have to pull it back
You
out.
ain't gonna have no room to change that front.
Yeah, you can pull the whole front clip off.
Man,
And then come over the back.
fuck that.
Well, I guess he not with it, so we ain't gonna do that. I mean, I could do it, but I'm not gonna do it.
It don't make sense. Keep going. You might got time, Chris.
No, you didn't.
What you mean?
I didn't see you do it.
You might got time. My time precious at my age. As sick as I am. Fuck that.
Oh.
And what are you doing?
Put them things back on there, Chris. Chris.
Hmm?
Put them black things back on there.
Help! Can't help him, because I'm in the engine.
Move, move, move.
I was just bothering you.
I gotta make sure them tight, because I don't know if y'all seen them video like a year or so ago. I had a long ride back from Philly because one of these was loose. I'm gonna go get the converter out.
You might as well.
Alright, we gotta go through the parts to see where it's at. I don't think it's in here.
No.
Not in here. Intake though. Oh, it's right in my face. Why is it turned over like that though? I hope nothing ain't leak out of it, because it did have fluid in it. Bow. SRT 3000. FTI. I don't know what the rest of that stuff means. We're gonna go get her in the car. Alright, you guys, so I got it in. I spilled a little bit, you know. I spilled a little bit because I was moving slow. So far, I'm gonna sit the engine in for now and continue to take that apart till I get her gone. And I'm gone. Peace. So I don't know if I'm gonna add another part to the end of the video. We're gonna see. Like, just with that. But if not, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching. Like, rate, subscribe. So I soak these lifters.
You put all of them back in there? You know he dropped them right here. He dropped them right there. And one right there got a truck. So you put all of them in there.
Uh-oh. So I found it. We're gonna soak these.
That's good.
You found it?
Mm-hmm.
Where was it? Right there.
Huh?
So you put it under the sink.